Hello viewers, welcome to podcast which was conducted by the Tribally Association. Myself Karthik from Tribally 4th year. Now let us welcome V. Pawan Krishna who was placed in Deloitte company. Hello Pawan Krishna, can you tell us the role offered in your company?
Thank you, Karthik, for giving this opportunity for me to share my experience about this Deloitte Drive. The role offered is analyst role. There are no specifics mentioned in the job description. It is only given that it is an analyst role. And the package offered is 7.6 LPA. Base is 6 lakhs, 1 lakh joining bonus, and 60,000 is variable, which is based on our performance.
That's good. Can you brief about the recruitment process of the Deloitte?
So, the recruitment process goes like this. Firstly, they will conduct a test in which there will be 3 to 4 sections. One section will be aptitude based, another will be coding MCQs, which will be based on basics of DSA and some basic level coding. The languages for Python and C on those MCQs were given. That is first round. After shortlisting, interview was conducted. It was combined round in which HR and technical both will be taken by a single person. And that's all. After that, final shortlist has come.
Here comes your next question. I think this company comes in September month. So actually we are having the rules of TNP that if we placed in one software company, we are not eligible for the other software company. So this also offered very less package of 7.6 LPA. Can we know the reason why you applied for this?
So basically, from the very start, I wanted to go to core side. So I have very less knowledge about coding. So from the companies which have visited our campus, in only Deloitte there will be basic coding, and also there will be no coding round. So that's why I applied for Deloitte in IT sector. As I am interested in core, so I was only left with this option.
Okay, that's good. So at last you are saying that for those people who are interested in software but exactly not know the coding, so for those people it will be helpful it seems.
Yeah, right.
Okay, now can you guide our juniors how to crack this interview and how to prepare?
So if you are aiming for software, then I think this company is not for you because it comes under IT. There will be only analyst roles. At the initial state, they will give roles when you join the company. If you have get a role which has no growth, then I think you should not. So coming to your question, for cracking this, for coding, MCQs, basic Python and C are sufficient, and also general aptitude max like probability, those are for round 1. If you clear that, for round 2 for interview, it will be based on your resume, the skills which you have mentioned in it. I have mentioned in my resume basic Python and a little bit of web development. He asked me about basic Python, OOPS concepts, and also about my project.
Okay, that's nice. I think Deloitte has taken nearly 23 students. It's like mass hiring. So the juniors who are listened to this, so be careful and prepare well. So the next question is like, can you suggest this company to the juniors?
Yeah, definitely for those who are not very good in coding, they will have a good opportunity through this company because if you join this company first, then while job switching, if you gain skills after that, you can join another company. So for those who are basic coders, they can go join Deloitte.
Okay. Okay, here comes your next question. So most of the juniors were doing these mistakes. Like when we were also juniors, we also expect high packages, but like Deloitte, most of the offers between in the medium range. So did you feel the same?
Yeah, because initially from the beginning, I was aiming core now. So in IT, I think this is the only company I am able to crack. I felt like that. After that, I thought more core companies will be coming. But for our academic year, career came early, so I attempted that, but I haven't cracked that. So coming to IT, I was left with Deloitte because I was not much into coding. So that's why. So for those who are kind of my situation, you can join this company.
Okay, Pawan Krishna, as you said, you are interested in core company, but while coming to Deloitte, it was an IT. So, what are your future plans?
Like first I will try whether I can be useful for Deloitte or not. if there is any growth in that company, I will go. Meanwhile, I will be preparing for GATE next year. And other is I am preparing for core companies like Texas. So subjects required will be analog, digital circuits, control system. I will be preparing those subjects while I have free time when I am working in Deloitte. Also, I will try for job switch if possible, and if I acquire skills in IT domain only. So that's it.
Okay. And next is many of us are doing mistakes like learning new courses but without having the basic knowledge. So how will you comment on this?
Yeah, most of the companies will see whether you are useful for that company or not. They will not see whether you are perfect like that. They will test your basics. From that, they will estimate whether you are useful for that company or not. I think preparing coding question in LeetCode or CodeChef, being good in one language, learning DSA, that is sufficient. When coming to courses, I think you can do Python. These will be sufficient. There is no need of machine learning, AI like that. I think you should just have general idea about AI and ML. So that is sufficient.
Okay. As you said earlier, you have free time to prepare for GATE. So can you explain how to prepare in free time?
So after talking to our seniors who are working in Deloitte, it will be 8 hours work, and that 8 hours will be selected by the individual only, and also Saturday, Sundays will be holidays. So in that time I will prepare.
Okay. One more question is that in addition to 7.6 LPA, is there any allowances for the employees?
Yeah, I think there are so many benefits when it comes to Deloitte, like medical insurance, and you will be given Wi-Fi bills, gym fees, and also sports equipment. If you have bought anything, you will be given a refund. And also, like while recruiting, they explained there will be 15 holidays and paid leaves will be 39. So medical insurance is 5 lakhs, and other benefits are also there, like 50% of phone purchasing amount will be given. So it is also a very secure company because it is an MNC. So looking this, you will be favored for Deloitte.
Okay, Pawan. So let us conclude this. Can you please overview that how to prepare for a company to our juniors?
For placement preparation, you have to prepare general aptitude. You have to work on your communication and English, and after that you have to choose a language and also learn all things in that language. And using that language, you have to code in CodeChef or LeetCode. So when comes to these two, I think if you want to prepare for entire coding problem, then CodeChef is better, I think. And if it comes to competitive level and good questions, LeetCode is better. And also be thorough in OOPS concepts.
Okay, Pawan Krishna, that a great words by you, and thank you for your valuable time and words to our juniors. I think it will be helpful to our juniors who want to place in the IT sector or else core sector. So thanks to the viewers, and for any queries, please message to the Instagram ID mentioned in the description. Thanks, bye to all. Please wait for the next podcast.